Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, put on the notification panel and look for the toggle. So for me it's right over here. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to enable it or hold it to quickly access settings for the Do Not Disturb mode. And as you can see, we have here mode priority only. That's the default one, but you can also tap on it to change it to total silence if that is something that you want. And then select priority, which will allow you to customize how the priority only works. So we can allow calls from either everyone, no one, contacts, or favorites. So choose whichever one you want. Below that we have repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around they will be able to completely bypass this first option. Whatever it is set to, they will completely bypass it. And lastly we have messages, which again, just like calls, has everybody, no one, contacts, and favorites. So again, select who can message you. Going back, next thing we do have is the schedule. As you can see, there is one set by default, which is called sleeping, and apparently it's every day from 10 till 7 a.m. But you can add your own if you want to, and you can choose if it's weekly or a calendar, so just a specific day. And again, just like this, you can set up each day of the week that it will turn on during, and the start and end time for it. And once you set it up, make sure it is checked, otherwise it won't work. And once you have gone through all the settings and customized them to your liking, you can simply leave this. And if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode yourself at specific moments, all you need to do is tap on the toggle like so, make it green, and right now Do Not Disturb mode is active. And once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. So that being said, this is how you could set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.